skill 48, which talks about position, adjectives, and adverbs correctly. Adjectives and adverbs, they can appear in incorrect positions in written expression section of the TOEFL test, of course. There are two common errors of this type that you should be aware of. First, the position of adjectives with the nouns they describe, and the position of the verb with the object, with the adverb with the object. Now, sometimes in English, it is correct to replace a one-word adjective in front of the noun it describes. And on the TOEFL test, however, an incorrect sentence might have an adjective after the noun it describes. For example, if I look at this sentence, the information important is on the first page. Is this a correct sentence? No. Why this is incorrect sentence? Here, the adjective important should come before the noun information, because important, this adjective important, it describes the information. So I have to say the important information is on the first page. Okay, now then we have to be aware of the position of the adjective, that it comes after, it comes before the noun that it describes. But what about the adverbs? Okay, now if we look at this sentence, he has taken recently an English course. Here, we should be aware of the position of the adverb with the object of verbs. Now, when the verb has an object, an adverb describing the verb should not come between the verb and its object. For example, here, he has taken recently an English. This adverb should not come between the verb and the object. But where can I put this adverb recently? It has 3 places in a sentence. It can come at the beginning of the sentence, or at the end of a sentence, or in the middle, but it should be between the auxiliary verb and the past participle verb. That is, when I say recently, he has taken an English course. Here, the adverb comes at the beginning. What about he has recently taken an English course? It comes in the middle between the auxiliary verb and the past participle verb. And he has taken an English course recently. It comes here at the end of a sentence. Then we have to recognize or to be aware of the position of the adjectives and the adverbs. And here, if we look at this chart, it says that the adjectives, if we talk about adjectives, a one-word adjective comes before the noun it describes. It does not come directly after. And the adverbs, an adverb can appear in many positions. It cannot be used between a verb and its object. Now, let's look at this exercise and answer the questions. See if they are correct or incorrect. Number 1. If we look at the first sentence, the store opened with a sale fantastic. Here, sale is the noun and fantastic is an adjective. The adjective should precede the verb that it describes. So this is incorrect sentence. It should be a fantastic sale. Number 2. The pharmacist has always filled our order quickly. This is always This is an adverb. It comes in the middle between the auxiliary verb and the verb in the past participle. And filled is the verb, and it is followed by an adverb. And this adverb, it describes the verb that it precedes. Then this is correct. Number 3, the political candidates. This is political. This is an adjective. Okay, an adjective. Candidates is the verb. Then adjective describes the verb that, the noun. Sorry, here it is a noun. The adjective describes the noun that follows. The political candidates expressed their opposing views. Opposing views. This is a noun and this is an adjective. Then this
Correct.
is a correct sentence. Yes. Number 4. The lawyer has selected carefully a new case. The lawyer has selected carefully. This is the adverb.
Yeah.
And it came between the verb and the object that follows or that describes. Then this is wrong. It should be here.
Has
carefully selected
selected
a new case. This is incorrect. Number 5. Frequently, at the beginning, frequently the coffee has tasted better.
correct.
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 لأنه الظرف
Here, the adverb came at the beginning of the sentence. Number 6. The wedding reception was held at a restaurant expensive. Here it is a noun, and this
Wrong.
is an adjective. It should be
incorrect.
the
And
adjective. The adjective followed by the noun that describes. Then here it is wrong. It should be at an expensive restaurant. Okay. Number 7. The sales clerk has often traveled to New York. Has often traveled. Here it is the adverb in the middle.
correct.
This is correct. Number 8.
تيني محمد القلع اللي تفتر بقراني من كل عقلي.
Then here often is the adverb. It comes in the middle between the auxiliary verb and the past participle verb. Then this is correct. Number 8. Following the failure of the first set of plans, the manager has altered subsequently them. Subsequently, this is the adverb, and it came between the verb and the object, and this is wrong. It should be here. Has subsequently altered them. Then this is incorrect. Number 9. The students had to study many hours daily during the program extensive. مليانة أخطاء. Well, the students had to study many hours daily during the program. This is the noun, and extensive. This is an adjective. It should be during the intensive program. The adjective should be preceding the noun that it describes, and this is incorrect. لازم تكون the intensive program. Number 10. The naval officer. Naval. This is an adjective. Okay, and it is followed by a noun. This is right. The naval officer was asked to transfer to a foreign country. Foreign country. This is an adjective, and it is followed by a noun. Then this is a correct sentence. Is everything clear?
Yes.
Good. Now let's look at this exercise. TOEFL exercise skills from 46 to 48. The skills that we've finished today. Number 1, we have to choose the letter of the underlined word or group of words that is incorrect. The first one, modern art, adjective and noun. This is right. Modern art is on display at the Guggenheim Museum. A building with an unusually design. Unusually design. Here design, it is a noun. It should be preceded by an adjective. صح? And this is an adverb. Then where is the wrong part? It
D,
is
unusually.
D, because yeah,
It should be adjective.
برافو عليكي. Number 2. بقول by the beginning of the 1980s 15 states had adopted already. شوفوا already وين جاية.
لازم had already adopted.
برافو عليكي. It should be here. Then B is the wrong part or the wrong word. Number 3. Heart attack. Heart attacks are fatally and 75% of occurrences. Here are is a linking verb. تتذكر
Linking verb.
this is a linking
أفعال to
verb.
be.
It should be followed by an adjective.
Adjective.
Then this is wrong. It should be fatal. Number 4. In spite of a tremendous amount of electronic gadgetry, air traffic control still depends heavy on people. Depends after verbs. After
Adverb.
verbs.
Heavily.
برافو عليكي. It should be heavily.
Heavily.
Goes after verbs, after normal verbs, I have to put adverbs. Then D is wrong. It should be heavily. D. Okay. Let's see the other sentences, but let me erase the answers first. Okay. Let's proceed. Number 5, 6, and okay. Number 5. It says, our recently have gotten industrially, only recently have gotten industrially designers and engineers been able to optimize watered unusual trade patterns for mass production. This is a very long one and it is not that easy. Only recently have gardens industrially designers. Designers here, it is
Noun.
It is a noun. It should be preceded by
Adjective.
adjective.
not adverb.
أيوة هي من أولها مبينة. Adjective and not adverb. In this, B is the wrong part. Number 6. A baboon's arm appear as lengthy as its leg. Appear, it is a linking verb. It should be followed by
adjective.
An adjective. Then it should be as lengthy. As lengthy without ly. صح؟ لأن this is a linking verb. It should be followed by an adjective plus adjective. Then C is the wrong part. Number 7. A serious problem. Serious problem. This is adjective and noun. This is right. A serious problem is how to communicate reliable. Communicate reliable. This is an adjective. This is an adjective.
It should be.
And this is a verb, to communicate. The verb should be followed by إيش? By adverb.
Adverb.
صح? Verbs should be followed by adverbs. So this should be reliably. Then C is the wrong part. 8. Americans are destroying rapidly wetland. شو رأيكم؟ Americans are destroying rapidly. لازم أقول إيه؟
This is adverb. It should be adjective.
Adjective.
It should be Americans are rapidly destroying. إذا كان في عندي auxiliary verb وفي عندي وراها verb, the adverb should be in the middle, not after the verb, صح؟ لازم أقول Americans are rapidly destroying West إلى آخره. Okay? It should be here. Like has destroyed, has rapidly destroyed, are destroying, are rapidly destroying. Then B is the wrong part. 9. The central banking system of the United States consists of 12 banks district. ولا لازم أقول أيوة 12 district. أيوة, this is the adjective, it should be here. 12 district banks. Then D is the wrong part. Number 10. Telegraph service across the Atlantic was successful. Was, it is a linking verb. It should be followed by an adjective, صح? Okay. Was successful, established. This is the adjective. Established. It should be here. Successful, this is an adjective. Okay, and this is two adjectives. I cannot put two adjectives following each other. The adjective
Adverb
is preceded by an adverb. Then this should be was successful established. تمام؟ عرفتوا ليش؟ لأنه الادجectives أيوة لأنه في بصيرش I can't put two adjectives following each other. صرت أحط صفتين ورا بعض. Okay.